There are many explosion-proof flow rate totalizers on the market, but only one can simplify your work. We believe that the remote configuration feature in our E-Series can make your job easier. In this video, we will give you a brief instruction on how it works. Every E-Series communication option requires its own remote configuration cable assembly. For the CX, no communication option, there is a unique black connector cable assembly available. For the options CH, RS485 communication, and CB, RS232 communication, the standard communication connector can be used. The easiest way to connect the E-Series to your PC or laptop is through the USB port. These products come with a mini USB plug on the side entry of the enclosure. After you have connected the cable to your E-Series unit, connect the USB cable to your PC or laptop. You may need to install the special Virtual COM port driver first to use the USB cable. From the Fluidwell website, you can download the required free software. Go to Displays, Downloads, then Software, and click on the link Remote Configuration and Data Log Extraction Tool to download a .zip file. Quickstart.pdf gives you a brief instruction of how the remote configuration tool works. Here you can open the Virtual COM port driver to select and install the correct driver for the USB cable. Double-click Remote Configuration to open the Remote Configuration tool. If required, you can configure the communication parameters via the Port Setup button. Default values can be found on the quickstart.pdf. Now we can press the Connect Device button. The remote configuration software will automatically detect the product with its configuration settings. Once successfully connected, you will get a notification that current values will be read from device. The actual values and each setup level will show up as a tab: total, flow rate, display, flow meter, etc. Let us, for example, change a parameter on the flow rate tab. The default measuring units are liters per minute. We will change it to US gallons per second. When you press the Write to Device button, you will see that these values have changed on the E-Series display. When you need to configure multiple units with the same configuration parameters, you can save the configuration to your PC or laptop. Then easily load this configuration and write it to every unit. When your E-Series supports option ZL, data logging, it is possible to read and export this data using the remote configuration tool. On the Home tab, you can press the Read Log Data button. The Log Data window will appear, where you can select which log you want to read or save: interval, daily, or events log. When you select a log, you can press the Save Log Data button to download the log as a .csv, a comma-separated value file, which can be opened as an Excel file. That's why the remote configuration feature in our E-Series will make your job easier. You've got to have a Fluidwell.